Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own Telegram stickers and actually start creating your own Telegram sticker pack. So in order to do that, it's actually quite easy, and I'm going to run you through the steps on how you can do it. All you need to do is head over to Telegram just like this, and once you've done that, go into the search bar and type in stickers. So just type in stickers like this, and then what you need to do is head over to the bot called stickers. So just click on it just like this. Once you've done that, you need to actually start this bot. So do that by clicking on start. And once you've done that, just type in /new pack. So you're going to type in /new pack. And once you've done that, you of course need to give your pack a name. So I'm going to give mine the name that's facts. Yay, because that's basically my channel name, of course. I'm just going to give it like that. And once you've done that, you already need to upload your stickers. It's really easy. In order to do this, what you need to do is send a sticker format in the PNG format with a radius by 512 by 512 pixels or less. So do keep that in mind. It needs to be PNG. It can also be WebP, but I would recommend PNG. And it needs to be under 512 by 512 pixels. Once you've created that, it can be done in Canva, it can be done in Photoshop. Once you've created your sticker, basically, what you need to do is click on that paperclip icon next to where you normally will type, and then click on File, just like this. And once you're right here, click on Select from Gallery, and then make sure to click on the sticker you want to actually add to your pack. So click on Send, and then basically once you've done that, you're good to go. Now what you need to do is give your sticker pack basically an emoji on how it will look. So for example, when I right now type this checkmark emoji, you will notice it will pop up a lot of those stickers. So for example, when I give my sticker pack the checkmark emoji, then every time I type the checkmark emoji, that sticker will pop up. So yeah. Once you've done that, what you can do is either add more stickers, or you can just simply head over to /publish. What you then need to do is add an icon for your sticker pack. Basically, this is when you, for example, go to a sticker pack, it will have an icon. You don't really need to add it. You can just add it if you want, but it's not necessary. You can also just do /skip. Once you've done that, you need to give your sticker pack Telegram link basically a name as well. So it can be the same as your normal link. I'm just going to do that's facts again. It's really obvious, just like this. And basically, once you've done that, your sticker pack is just already good to go. When I now click on the sticker pack, you will notice it will now have my stickers right here. I've added the sticker, and this can now be sent as a sticker. And yeah, that's literally all you need to do. You can favorite it, of course, and you will right now see that it's actually being used as a sticker, which is just really cool. And yeah, that's all you need to do in order to create your own Telegram stickers. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.